Hello everyone and welcome to this video tutorial of PrestaShop Voice Search module. In this video, I'll explain you the process to configure the module, and I'll also show you that how using this module you can easily integrate a voice search option to your store. So let's just go to the PrestaShop back office first. In the PrestaShop back office, you will see that I have already installed this module. Let me just open this module manager section. I'll just search the name of module. As you can see that this module is already installed in my PrestaShop. After installing the module, you need not to configure any settings because there is no add such configuration settings for this module. After the successful installation of the module, a voice search button start appearing on the front end of your shop. So let's just go to the front end. On the front end, you can see that this voice search button is now available here. Apart from this search box which helps you to search the products, there are other pages too where this search box or search button will be available, that is voice search button. But before we go there, let me just tell you how this functionality works. In order to use the voice search functionality, you need to click on this button. After clicking on this button, the microphone starts recording. As you can see that whatever I was telling, that this microphone already recorded it. But let me just show you an example by searching something that corresponds to the products that are available here on this store. As you can see that we have this poster and mugs. So let's just try to search the mug using the voice search command. Mug. As you can see that after telling the mug, this voice search button has entered the search command that I have given it, and the relevant results are now appearing in the drop down, and you can accordingly select one of the products and go to directly to the product page. Now, apart from this voice search command that is available here to search the product, the customer also gets this option somewhere else. So let me just tell you how this search command is available and where all those pages are where this search command functionality will be available. But before we log in to any customer account, let me just take you to the create account page. On the create account page too, you will find that this voice search command button is available in order to fill the first name and last name. So now customers can also use this functionality to automatically fill their name by giving the voice command here while creating an account. Now let's just sign into account so that I can show you where this voice command functionality is available apart from the two which I have just shown you. Now, as you can see that we have successfully signed into a customer account. So under the information section, the personal details are available. So here also a customer can choose to update these details by using a voice command. After using these commands here, the functionality will work in the same way that after giving the command, the details would be filled automatically. Apart from this, there is another section too, that is of addresses. So while creating an address, these all fields can be filled using a voice command, either at the creating address, or a customer can also choose to use the command while updating the address too. That is, as you can see that this address was already saved, but the voice command buttons are also available when we proceed to update the address. So this was all about the PrestaShop voice search module. Using this module, your customers would find it very easy to navigate through your store and search the products. I hope this video helps you to configure and use the module in the best possible way. Thank you.